Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Kidsman here, back with another video. Today we're doing another Greenville car review video. A very cool car. Obviously, if you guys watch by the time this video is uploaded, the stop video will have been uploaded. You guys know this is the 2016 Honda Civic ES. So let's. Oh crap! Alright, so we're going to go on this with the EX, the 2016 Honda Civic EX. And this is the vehicle we are going over for this video. Now before we get started with this video, any further, question of the day. Question of the video is, this is something I've been sitting on for 2 or 3 days now. Something in my mind. Do you guys want to see Ultimate Driving and Roblox, Ultimate Driving on UD Drive? Come to my channel. I was thinking about bringing Ultimate Driving to my channel. I did have it on the channel a long time ago when I first was starting out my YouTube channel. I really started putting videos and stuff like that. And I want to know, do you guys want to see UD Drive come? Do you guys want to see UD Ultimate Driving on the channel? If so, please answer that question in the comment section. Do you guys want to see Ultimate Driving? Yes or no? Alright, I really need you guys to say yes or no. I really need this, guys. So I don't want to bring it to the channel and you guys say, hey, we don't want you to do Ultimate Driving. I want you, before I do it, I want you guys input, stuff like that, alright? Make sure you guys do that for me, alright? So, now we got the question of the day worked out there. Let's talk about other stuff. So now we got the question of the day out of the way. Let's get to the car review video. So, let's start at the outside of the car. So, outside the car, classic normal Honda styling. Nice grille, nice futuristic slick type headlights, classic Honda styling right up in there. This thing is a sedan, by the way. So it's not a hatchback. I know you might say, well, it looks like a hatchback to me. It is a sedan. Alright. So let's go. Actually, the outside of this vehicle looks amazing. But there's one thing I do want to point out about this car that's something that the Saab has that this car does not. I'm going to tell you right now, this car is definitely 100% better than the Saab when it comes to performance. Yeah, performance basically. But the Saab has some design elements that really make it stand out above all the rest of the sedans in the class. Alright. This car does not have it. This car does not have this amazing design element that really bring it home to me. There's the extra design elements that stand out. Really bring it home to me that the Saab had a solid build on. This thing does not have that solid bring home to me. But I still like the car regardless, but it still looks good in my eyes. So now we talk about outside and all that stuff. Let's get inside the car, driving around, and I'm talking to you guys about performance, and give you guys my final thoughts of the car. Let's get into that one. Will it work? Now, there's another thing that the Saab has that this car does not. The Saab has manual with clutch. This car does not have that. It does have manual mode. You can clearly see it does not have manual clutch. But when we get to driving and stuff, we really put out some of the things that this car has that the Saab does not. First of all, this car sounds way better than the Saab. 100% sounds better. So if you want a car that really sounds really cool, if you understand it sounds really good, pick this over the Saab 100% every day. Alright? But let's get started driving. Right off the bat, this car drives better than the Saab. It accelerates better. I just feel more to the car when you get the gas. Also, the brakes are way better. The brakes actually stop you. The Saab, they don't do much to stop you, so it's kind of like a death trap in a way. But this car, it stops. So if you slam, yeah, it will stop. I definitely think it's better than the Saab. The brakes are so much better, really. And the handling of this car is amazing. It really is. Now, the top speed of this car is way slower at only 119 miles per hour, which is 141. drag race between this and the Saab. The Saab, like we had a full, like longest, like super lengthy drag race. Like whatever they call it, the full length drag race, whatever. The Saab would definitely beat this car hands down. In a straight line, because that's a higher top speed. But this car has a better acceleration, and after that, the brakes on this car are so much better. And I keep having to prove it time and time again. I mean, really, this car really has better brakes than the car. Let me do this right here. Get the thumbnail pick, another thumbnail pick. Alright. Alright. So, final thoughts of the vehicle. Also, before we get final thoughts, let me tell you guys the price. How much does this amazing SUV sedan cost you? $19,900 is about how much it will cost you and when you set you back. So now you guys know the price of the vehicle. You guys can go get it yourself as well. So final thoughts, really. I think this car is a must-buy. It looks good. It drives really well. Has good brakes. It's cheap. You can get it at a low price, and it can fit 4 people. And it has a lot of trunk space, just like the Saab. But I would now, if I were to tell you guys, if you had to choose between this and the Saab, if you really had to choose, I would definitely 100% choose the Honda Civic over the Saab every time. Here, and I know I kind of explained the points of why. I want to go into real detail exactly why I would pick this thing over the Saab. And the Saab is cheaper as well, about $9,000 cheaper. So, one, this car drives better than the Saab. The brakes are actually do something. The brakes in the Saab really don't stop you much, and they probably will cost kind of much. You're going at 50 miles an hour, when you hit the brakes, you'll probably get to an accident. You probably almost, But this car brakes better, looks better, and it's also just like the car sounds way better. It sounds better. It handles better. It's just all around better car. It's also more expensive than the Saab as well, about almost like $1,000 away from being almost 10 grand cheaper, 10 grand more expensive. It's only $9,000 more expensive than the Saab, but it's worth it. The extra $9,000 is 100% worth it. It's worth to buy. If you guys are new, actually before we tell the subscribe and all that stuff, make sure you guys go down in the comment section and answer the question of the day. Do you guys want to see Ultimate Driving come to the channel? If you guys really want to see that come to the channel, please let me know. Alright, make sure you guys comment on my videos. Make sure you guys subscribe if not already. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my uploads. Alright, make sure you guys drop a like and all that fun stuff there. Because, I want you guys to be up to date and stuff like that. Your boy, I got you guys. And I just want to give you guys a thank you. We finally at 74 subscribers. We're doing great, guys. We're doing great. Thank you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in the next video.